Today, I'm going to be showing you how to create editable templates within Canva and list them in your Etsy shop. If you don't know, you cannot link any links. You cannot upload or put or sell any links in Etsy. You have to embed them into a PDF file. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do that, the step-by-step process. Disclaimer, I do not know if this will work for like sites like PayHelp or Shopify. I don't have those. I only have an Etsy shop. So I'm going to show you how to create a editable template. We are going to create a graduation shirt pin template as an example. So starting out in Canva, go to create custom size. Your width should be a 2000 width by 2000 height pixel units. 2000 by 2000. We're going to create new design. Step 1, you need to create your Etsy ad. If I type in edible shirt pin graduation template, you should have a catchy ad. You want your ad to stand out. You want your ad to be better than the other ads because you want to draw attention. You want somebody to click on it and you want them to purchase. So I'm just going to create a quick ad. Yours should look better than mine's. Now, when you are building your ad, you want to showcase what the template looks like. So like a little preview. So I'm going to go ahead and create the shirt pin here. So here is our shirt pin template. Y'all, I know it's boring. We are not here for designing. So once you design yours, you're going to make it nice and fancy and all that good stuff. Your ad should stand out. You should have a nice ad. You also want to add minor details to your ad. Like 8.5 by 11 sheet. This is letting them know that it's on an 8.5 by 11 sheet. And then you also want to add like the Canva logo. Letting them know that this is a Canva template. And then you're done. This is your ad. Save it. Now I'm going to go in and delete everything except for the shirt pin. Delete everything except the shirt pin. Click resize. Custom size 8.5 by 11. Put it on an 8.5 by 11 page. Open in 8.5 by 11. Here we are. Now you can add as many of these on the page as you want to. Whatever you decide. Now we're going to go over to share. Create a template link. Create template link. Link copy to clipboard. Just match copy again, just in case. Now, whoever has this template link can edit. So if you sent it to me right now, I can edit for free. Doesn't matter who you send it to, they will be able to edit it for free. But you want to sell it. You want to upload it into your Etsy shop so that people can actually purchase your hard worked on shirt pen template. You will need to embed this into a PDF file. So to do so, we are going to go over to, we're going to create a new design. Again, 2000 by 2000 pixel for Etsy. And then we're going to go over to elements. Type in thank you. This is what people are going to see once they purchase the template from you out of your Etsy shop. It's going to send them the PDF with the embedded link into it, because you can't sell links or upload links to Etsy. So you have to embed your link, your template link, into a PDF file. So this is the PDF file that we're making right now. Type thank you or search thank you, add thank you, whatever you want to do. Now we're going to search button. Grab a button. Text, type, edit in Canva. We are going to make this a clickable button. All right. Now click the button. Click on the three dots that says more. Scroll down. Click on link. Now you want to paste the link that you just created. The template link that we just copied, paste it there. Select done. Link added at the top. Same thing. Click on the text that says edit in Canva. Click the three dots. Select link. Paste in your template link. Select done. Link added. Now go over to share. Download. Under file type, you should select PDF standard. This is important. PDF standard. Do not select anything else. Just PDF standard and select download. All right. Now you need to go check it. So go to your computer downloads. When you click on your PDF file, your button should be clickable and it should take you to Canva. Great. A template created by the Custom Creation Station was shared with you. Start designing now. Select Edit Template. Here we are. Now I can go in and remove, add, replace, change color, whatever I want to do. We're going to go back to create a design. Create a design. Again, Etsy post should be a 2000 by 2000. 2000 width, 2000 height, pixels. Create new design. Now here you want to make sure, you have to make sure you're clear on things because people don't read. Trust me, people do not read. Make sure you type digital file only. You're gonna go back again. Type out not a physical item. Go to elements, type download. Share, download, PNG. Okay, that's it for Canva. That is absolutely it for Canva. We got our Etsy ad, we got our Etsy editable template link embedded inside of a PDF file, and then we have our information for the people, digital file only, not a physical item, so that they know that this is a file, a digital file. They will not be receiving a shirt pin. You won't believe it. Yes, I know it sounds crazy, but yes, it's some people out there where, they say, you heard that saying where they say the lights on, but ain't nobody there, or the lights is on, but ain't nobody home. Next, you need to log into your Etsy account so we can upload. Click on Shop Manager, select Listing, add a listing. Category. You want to type under category, you want to select templates. So these are my shop categories, but we ain't gonna worry about that. You pick templates. Continue. Physical item or digital item. What did we say? This is not a physical item. So we're going to go to digital files. And then who made it? I did. Continue. Oh, let me scroll down. Who made it? I did. What is it? A supply or tool to make things? When was it made? Recently. How is this digital content created? Created by me. It's designed and created entirely by me. Continue. Title. Here you would select your title. So you would type, I don't know, Canva editable template dash graduation shirt pin template PNG, like that. Make sure you, in the title, make sure you include Canva editable template. Make sure you include what it is, a graduation shirt pin template. It's a PNG. Photos and videos. Add up to 10 photos and videos. We're going to add of course, we're going to add our ad. And then we're going to add our information. Digital file only, not a physical item. Under digital files, here is where you add in your PDF with your clickable button link. Here you add in your PDF. Description. What makes your item special? Buyers will only see the first few lines unless they expand the description. Type in, not a physical item. This is an editable Canva template. This is a graduation shirt pin template. PNG. You can add more or less, be more detailed. Personalization. Add personalization. That's not necessary because it's a digital file. So more than likely, 9 times out of 10, you will have nothing. Don't select nothing under personalization. Price and inventory. How much you want this to cost? $3. $3. So when you type in 3, after taxes and all that good stuff, you will get a grand total of $2.26. How many we got? I always put 500. That way I don't have to keep coming in here and update and put 500. Variations, none. It's a digital file. Core details, digital file, instant download. Category, templates. Primary color, secondary color, holiday. You don't have to add nothing into that. Tags, I would say add tags. So type in Canva, editable template, graduation, because it's graduation, shirt, pins, stuff like that. You can add up to 13. Put all 13 tags. Process and shipping, none of that is necessary. Returns and exchanges. I always set mine to no returns or exchanges. Buyer can contact seller about any issues with an order, and you decide whether or not you want to give them a refund. Use shop sections to organize your products into groups shoppers can explore. None. Feature listing. Now you can put this on if people are already following your Etsy shop. This will pop up as something new that you just posted if you feature it. Renewal options. I always have mine at automatic, but you can select manual if you would like to. And then you select publish. You're about to publish a new listing, and then you will select once you select publish, this will be added into your Etsy shop. I'm not going to select publish because I don't need this in my Etsy shop, but you will select publish to add this in your Etsy shop. So I'm going to select cancel. Now listen, y'all, we are done. I showed you how to create the template in Canva. I showed you how to embed it into a PDF and upload it to your Etsy shop. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. I'll be more than happy to help. I hope this was clear. I hope I made it as easy as possible to understand. Again, let me know in the comments if you need more help. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share all that good stuff. And I will see y'all in the next video.